Wow, Grandma, the farm is so big.
It is, dear, so much to explore.
Can we see inside the barn? Wow, Grandma, is that for me?
Yes, Arav, fresh from the farm.
It looks so yummy.
Enjoy it, dear.
Grandma, which animal gives us milk?
It's Kiki time! Which animal gives us milk?
Grandma, look!
What is it, dear?
The animals are coming!
So they are. Hello, friend.
Is it me? Dogs are great friends, but do they give milk for us to drink?
Maybe it's me?
Cats drink milk, but they don't give milk for people.
Oh, really?
Nay, I'm strong and fast. Is it me?
No.
Try the milk, Arav. It's fresh.
Okay, Grandma, here I go. It's so creamy.
Woo! I give fresh, healthy milk every day.
Oh, the animal that gives us milk is the cow!
Which animal gives us milk? Is it A, B, C? The answer is B, cow. That's right. That's right. And now drink the milk.